I think the first time I uh, opened my editor and had Copilot enabled, I was a little skeptical. I was just like everybody else. I was like, is this really going to help me? And I start typing, and again, it's basically predicting what I would have typed, right? It's like I'm like, yep, you just saved me 100 characters, and I hit tab and I move on. That was like it's like the magic. Now there's times where it doesn't, it's interesting because there's times when it suggests something. I'm like, that's almost right. But it sparks enough creativity in me to go like, oh, that's what I want to do, but not quite what I want to do. And in fact, I wouldn't do it that way. This is what I would do. And then I'd go off and do it. But it's like there is the it's like I have this picture in my brain about how Copilot works. It's like it's with me everywhere I go, especially as a developer, and it's there to help me. And every once in a while, it'll come and go along and be like, you'll have these moments you're like, oh, that is exactly what it is. Or you'll have these moments like, I'm frustrated. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just flailing away. And I will go over to chat and I will start describing the problem. Like, oh yeah, if I'd have just stopped for a minute and asked the question, that's exactly what I would have done, right? That magical moment of pair programming that I did pair programming when I was, 10 or 15 years ago with actual humans, which I still enjoy, but it's just like the same thing, but it's there all the time with me.